Which is why he's still injured.
Which is why, dude, stop riding your bike, Anthony. Stop bunny hopping.
Welcome to commercials with
These are hand-up gloves in collaboration with an IG account called Ride Finds. It's a cool account where people submit shit that they find on rides. Some of the items: a wrench, fish, dildo, money, pack of smokos.
John Michael, are we sponsored by them? Or we?
I bought these.
Oh, you paid money for
Yeah, I paid money for these. Yeah.
Now we're giving them a shout out.
Yeah, so hey, Ride
Who knows?
Finds.
This guy's an influencer right here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you knew, but...
Send me the things that you find on your rides to my house.
Ooh, okay. Well, cyclocross training. This is cool. That's so cute.
I don't want to break my collarbone, so that was the one take you're gonna get. It was a little messy. We wanted to do a clean one, but fuck.
He recognizes the slop.
Yeah.
But you know what? Hey, health and safety comes before.
Safety. I'm not trying to die or break my collarbone.
Yeah.
That's just the collarbone. Yes.
Sorry. So we understand if you don't want to sponsor us now.
Yeah, that's okay.
For the gloves,
you know,
but
yeah.
Oh well, next time.
You know.
Yeah, dude. There it is.
Yeah, bud.
Flip-flop commercial?
Not many people know this, but the wrappers are actually edible as well.
Oh.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Oh.